How you doing?
Hello, everybody. I'm here to talk about my Craftsman lawnmower. I just bought this lawnmower last year and brought it out today to cut some grass. It didn't start. Come to find out by looking at videos on YouTube that the carburetor gets clogged over the lawnmower setting for a long period of time. So what I did was checked it out, and I bought some spray, and I'll show you the spray in a minute. I put the spray inside the air filter holes right there. That's where the carburetor sits. You spray those two holes right there. You spray them as long as you want until you get it to going. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to stop, and it's going to frustrate you. So what I did was I put that back on. I figured something else out. So I went to the store and I bought, and I'm about to show you guys in a minute, I went and bought, there's the carburetor choke jet spray from Gum Out, and there is the Gum Out fuel injector for the carburetor. It's a carburetor cleaner. You can use it on lawnmowers as well as your vehicles. You pour this into your lawnmower, you pour the old gas out first. Then you pour this in, pour the whole bottle in, then you pour your gas back in. Now, you let it sit for like 20 minutes. Let it sit, and once that happens, you should be able to start it. So let's see if it'll start. Let's see if it'll start. Okay. Let's see. As you can see, it didn't cut back off, and it's still running. And that is how you clean the carburetor on your Craftsman lawnmower. That's exactly how you do it. So if you have any questions, please refer to this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you like it. And don't forget, jet spray Gum Out carburetor choke and Gum Out fuel injector. They sell it at AutoZone. They might have it at Advanced Auto Part. Depending on what area you live in, get to an auto part store and get this for your gas powered lawnmowers when the lines clog up. Thank you.